my name is Laura Speed, and I am the closing coordinator with Eastbrook Homes, and I wanted to invite you into this home. Is actually my parents' Eastbrook home. We are living here graciously while we build our Eastbrook home in Mowing Woods. So this is a really stressful time in the world right now, and so we continue just to bring some fun, bring some new things to you just in our homes. So wanted to introduce you to my family. Lily. This is Lily. She's 3 years old. Say hi.
Hi.
And Elijah. Elijah is almost 2. Can you say hi?
Hi.
And cameraman husband, Brad. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a sheet pan of Jell-O to use cookie cutters later. You follow the directions on the box because that's the only way that I know how to make things. In a medium bowl, add 1 cup boiling water to the contents of this package. Stir until completely dissolved and add 1 cup cold water.
Got this. Ready.
Oh, it's ready? Okay, so boil water for 2.5 minutes is what the box says. And pour the water into the bowl. Ooh, hot. All right, Lily, can you pour this into the bowl? It's the contents of the package. Whoop, that's all right. Spills happen.
You gotta stir it till it dissolves.
Okay, let's stir it. Now add in the cold water. Stir until the ice is melted. Can you say Jell-O?
Jell-O.
Jell-O? Jell-O.
I'm good at helping.
You are really good at helping. I think they're all dissolved.
Okay.
Now,
You want
will you help me?
You need to have a shallow pan that's wide but not too wide.
All right, can you help me, Lily? Hold this side. And we're gonna dump it into the pan. Very gentle.
Is it hot anymore?
I don't think so, but let's not touch it.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put it in the fridge to cool.